following a person the same night that these two men were murdered out of David Lilly.
Could this be the same red pickup truck that was described by Chevy's mom, Paula Wheeler?
West Sugarman had this unique red truck in terms of the distance off the ground and the degree of shine this chrome had and the level of the intensity of the red. It was a really unique red pickup.
West Shirleytine's truck now links him to these murders. He also owns a car. Will it yield further clues?
You got the hiccups?
Police are questioning